Hazrat Abu Jamra narrates that Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said to us, "Shouldn't I narrate you the story of Abu Zar's conversion to Islam?" We said, "Why not?" He said that Hazrat Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu said, "I am a member of Ghifar tribe." We got the news that a man had appeared in Makkah Mukarramah who claimed to be a prophet. I asked my brother to go and talk to him and tell me about him. So he set out, and when he returned after meeting him, I said, "What news do you have?" He replied, "By Allah, I have seen a man who bids to do good and forbids to commit evil." I said, "I am not satisfied with your piece of information." So I took the journey, victuals, and a staff and proceeded towards Makkah Mukarramah. When I reached there, I neither recognized him nor liked to ask anyone about him. I kept on drinking Zamzam water and staying in the mosque. One day Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu happened to pass by me and said, "You seem to be a traveler." He said that. He said, "Yes." He said, "Come along with me to my house." He said I accompanied him to his house, but neither did he ask me anything, nor did I tell him anything. When the day dawned, I went to the mosque so as to inquire anyone about him, but no one came who could tell me about him. He says again, Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu happened to pass by me and said, "Has not you found your destiny yet?" I submitted, "No." He said, "Come along with me." Then he said, "What is your business and what has brought you here?" I said, "Would you keep it a secret what I tell you?" He said, "I will do so." I said, "We have got the news that a man has appeared here who considers himself a prophet." So I dispatched my brother to confer with him. He returned, but his report did not satisfy me. So I intended to meet him in person. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu said, "If the matter is this, you have achieved your end. I am also going to him, so come along with me. Follow me wherever I go, and if I discern any peril for you, I will stand beside a wall pretending to mend my shoe, and you should move ahead." So he proceeded, and I also set out with him, till he entered a house, and I also entered to find the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam therein. I submitted, enlightened me as to the teachings of Islam. So it was narrated, and I embraced Islam there and then. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to me, "Keep it a secret and return to your city. When you get the news of our dominance, come back to us." I submitted, "By him who sent you with the truth, I will express it openly amongst the people." So he went to the mosque to find the Quraysh sitting there. So he said, "O Quraysh, I testify that there is no worthy of worship apart from one Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and testify that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is undoubtedly his bondsman and apostle." They said, "Deal with this heretic." So they got up and started beating me till I was as good as dead. Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhu saw me and lay over me in prone position, and then facing the people said, "Woe to you! Do you want to kill a member of Ghifar tribe, whereas your trade and your route are not but through the territory of Ghifar tribe?" So they released me. The next morning I again returned to the mosque and said what I formerly said. They said, "Deal with this heretic," and they did what they had done the previous day. Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhu again saw me, lay over me in prone position, and said what he had said the previous day. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says, "May Allah Jalla Jalaluhu shower his mercy upon Hazrat Abu Zar. It was the beginning of Hazrat Abu Zar's Islam." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3522.